Hey everybody, this is Brad with ShadowTrader SquawkBox, and the video today, re-entry in gold. Gold back here on December 4th hit some new all-time highs, taking out the previous high. There was a couple highs actually, like back in May of 2023. Then there was another high that was very close in March of 22. Prior all-time high was 2089. But recently, gold hit 21.52 an ounce. And the reason I'm bringing this up right now is because I think there's a nice tradable opportunity coming up very, very shortly. Now, normally, when you see a stock or commodity, whatever, come up from the bottom like that, we look at trend lines quite a bit. But obviously, gold, a lot of profit taking came in over that 2150 area. And gold right now trading back below 2000. You can see also there's a potential pinch. The 8 down through the 21 trend line has been lost, but I'm thinking somewhere around this 1960 area, maybe 1955, 1960. Obviously there's some prior support here coming back November, but the other thing, and I'm a big proponent of this, is the Fibonacci retracement. From these most recent lows to the all-time high, ladies and gentlemen, you got a 61.8% retracement right around this 1960 area. So when I tie in the prior support, I tie in the fib retracement. X marks the spot for me. So keep an eye on gold somewhere around 1955, 1960. I think will give us a really good re-entry opportunity to get back in gold. By the way, if gold doesn't take out this recent low, which of course you can see here was back on December 11th, there may be a reversal back to the upside, but I'm kind of thinking that gold will work its way down towards this 1960 area. Again, maybe 62, maybe 57, whatever, somewhere in this area, because the 55, 56 lows in November, I think will give us a good launch point for gold to come down, hit, and then bounce and go back up. So there you go. Looking for a re-entry in gold. Want to give you plenty of time to just set some alerts and wait for it to happen. And then I think we'll have a nice little re-entry in gold. All right. Have a good one. Take care, and we'll see you soon. Hey, everybody. This is Brad Agonis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other ShadowTrader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.